All right, thanks, Andrew. Rain will be likely in our forecast for today, even the chance at some freezing rain, primarily in the northern third of the state, although we could see some patchy areas of freezing drizzle in some parts of north central Indiana. The other thing to monitor, some thunderstorms. I would not rule out some thunderstorms that bring pea-sized hail. Severe weather is not expected for today, and those showers will start to become more widespread in the coming hours, specifically lunchtime into the early afternoon, backing off with our rain chances through the evening. Let's take a closer look at Storm Tracker right now. Storm Tracker is showing a warm front getting into southern parts of the state. Winter weather advisories are out for the northern third of the state. Again, that mainly has to do with freezing rain, but taking a closer look on Storm Tracker, next group of showers on the way that will make rain more likely for more parts of central Indiana. It's in central Illinois as we speak. Zooming into the winter weather advisories, again, does not include Muncie, Kokomo, and Lafayette, but some of these locations I'd still monitor until we get those temperatures above freezing. Remember, freezing rain is the type of precipitation that falls as rain and then temperatures below freezing at the surface, freezing it into ice. Storm Tracker showing light on and off showers for Bloomington, Columbus, and points south and west. Temperature has reached above freezing here in Indy, so not as big of a concern for freezing rain or freezing drizzle. 36 in Columbus, 37 in Bloomington. Meanwhile, 30 in Richmond, 29 in Kokomo, and 31 in Muncie. These points northward, watching for that chance at mixed precipitation. All right, now going forward on Futurecast for today, I mentioned the lunchtime hours. That's really when we'll see showers filling in across our area with rumbles of thunder possible. Pink shading, that is freezing rain in the northern third of the state, even some sleet. And for far northern Indiana, I wouldn't rule out some snow showers in South Bend, but the reason for the winter weather advisories is primarily for freezing rain. Through the evening, we're winding down precipitation west to east across the area. With ice accumulation, a couple hundredths of an inch in northern Indiana, may have up to a tenth, even more in some locations. Rainfall amounts here in central Indiana, not too impressive, a tenth to a half inch here in Indianapolis. Today's forecasted highs getting around to the 40-degree mark. Our wind direction shifts out of the northwest behind the front and low pressure system. Look at these temperatures spread across the state for today. 31 in South Bend, 40 here in Indy. Going to Louisville, 60 degrees. That's because of that warm front in the state. Tonight, we're in the upper 20s. And then looking ahead to tomorrow, mostly cloudy skies, more breaks late in the day. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for highs. Next week, we have two storm systems to watch. System number one passing to our south, so it's a question of whether we'll have the snow present as it battles some drier air. System number two, late Wednesday into Thursday, precipitation is more likely. The question will be rain versus snow in our area. Look, we're days away from both of these systems, so a lot to determine. 7-day forecast. Average high for this time of year is 39 degrees. We'll be basically just under that mark through the next couple of days. Those two systems watching closely through midweek, and temperatures in the mid-30s by Friday.
Storm Track 8, voted Indiana's best weather coverage. Wish TV.